Come on, Eli!
Get there, Jay-Chan, get there, Jay-Chan, get there, Jay-Chan.
Yeah! Yeah!
Nice work, guys!
Come on, Eli! Hey! Isolate! Oh, Josh! Josh, out!
Oh, cheesy.
Up! Up! All around.
I need to chill. He's playing right now.
Yeah!
Yo, he needs to make more babies.
I already have one. It's fine.
You know, Jordan Vogel can't go into the hot tub because it reduces his sperm count.
What is it?
Jordan Vogel can't go
Oh!
in the hot tub? Yeah.
Kenji, bro, you were close.
Hey, let's get rid of
There's gonna be help. There's gonna be help. There's gonna be help. There's gonna be help. Go, go, get there, get there. Oh, relax now.
That's you, Josh. That's Josh. Hey, get out of the way, Tyus. Good effort, good effort, good effort. On D now.
Why are we so casually? That's Hulk Hogan's pride and joy, Luna. Can't hurt him like that.
Hey, look at your spot, Graves. You're like the last trail. Graves, the last trail.
I actually have balls.
What are we talking about?
There's a pick where they're more than 10 feet away.
Oh,
Because like on the transition, he's trying to catch up to him.
oh, I see. I thought we were talking about stocks.
Could be. You never know.
Is that his real name?
Trailing here, Graves.
Wait, who?
38?
That's not on you?
Yeah.
What's his last name?
That's so funny.
Oh, no, no. That's fine.
That's a lit last name.
Yes, Josh. Yes, Josh. Yes, Josh.
Let's go, Josh. Yeah, boy.
Leave the feet, boy.
No,
You're next.
You're good, Owen. Owen. Aw. A headache in the morning. Then you're like, okay.
Uh-oh. If I get a headache tomorrow, then I'm going to die. And she's like, can you promise me to see a doctor on Monday since you're out of town? I'm like, yeah, sure.
Turn and give you a little ding.
So I'll probably go to like urgent care.
I have to
Yeah.
turn and then like locate and then like send it all the
I wonder where Make It Rain's from.
Seattle area.
Oh.
For sure. I'm just asking.
Huh?
I'm just asking.
No, I don't want that. I don't
You
want
got a
that.
camera, just put it in his face.
Oh, I'm scared, bro. What the? I'm a big fan of you.
And then it also helps with the plan too. Right? If you get it in the midfield and you can shoot the plan. Ryan's a fucking beast.
Support, Jordan! Jordan!
Wait, Jordan! Jordan! Oh, if you didn't hit that bait before the game. Maybe if Jordan hit 3 baits before the game, he would have gone open there. Yeah, maybe.
Come on, bitch with that, boy.
Yeah, yes, Marcus.
On.
This side.
Chili.
Chili, get it off, get it off.
Yeah, honest, Josh.
Who's helping? It's at 6!
Around. Oh, let's go, boys. Yeah, get back, Tyus. Get back.
Get up, Tyus. On. Arch, keep moving. They're posting you on. Chad. Arch, keep moving. Get positive yards.
Yeah, honest on the handler. Honest on the handler.
Up.
Oh yeah.
That's a gorgeous pull, Jonah. Oh my God! Jonah, the hairs on my arm stood up.
Now it's 12, so hopefully 6 and 9.
And that wasn't actually right.
You don't have to play. You're not recording anything. You gotta play it now, bro. Let me guess. Give me for us going deep. Oh, there's zoning.
That's a good one.
Hey, Chisel's available.
Nice.
Chisel.
Very good, Galen. Bounce that.
Swing it to Jason. Okay. I guess. Kill myself, I guess.
Pick him action, man.
They're here. All right, clear.
Get that, Luna. Graves on.
Yeah, Ollie.
Graves looking.
One on.
Back.
Yeah,
you're good.
You're good. Middle. Not looking. Far side.
1, 2.
Okay, Josh. You're good, Josh. Under now, Josh.
Oh!
Let's go.
Holy football. Holy football.
Hey, chat. Hey, chat. Let's go, J-Chat. Come on, Blackfish. Yeah, J-Chat. Cover it.
If it's not snowy, sounds great. Okay. All right. Great.
What the?
Get out.
Marcus in one.
Oh, go big.
Never mind.
No big. He's covered. Okay, Jason.
Oh, the slide cancel. Ooh. That was kind of gross. Slide cancel into dish.
Nice.
Come on. Let's go. Tazzy. Oh.
Easy here. Easy. Oh, into end zone.
Oh, my bad. You're hella in. Woo!
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Yo, bro, your finish is
Yeah, Eli.
Pussy.
Up.
You're on, Josh.
You're good now.
Eli, you go tight.
Come on, gotta go, Graves. Gotta go.
Eli.
Not coming.
Good, not coming.
Inside, middle. Nothing easy here, Josh.
Hey, tight now. 10 mark now. Owen, make it hard. Active.
What?
Yes, Owen. Left hand.
Josh, let's go.
Yes, Owen. Yes.
Left hand.
Oh.
Inside.
Yes. See, look out, Bill.
You know, Owen, it'd be cool if you knew how to hit the ground.
Tighten up, Fish. Let's go.
Graves, you know it.
Put on my chest.
I don't have anything. I didn't bring a strap. I looked at my strap and I was like, fuck.
Dude, go again. Oh, sheesh. Go. Oh! Go big, go!
Drop.
Dang, too many options here.
Yeah!
What did I say?
That's good shit. Hey. Almost on time with them. You probably knew exactly that time, but it just gets delayed. You're right. That's the sound just towards it. Wow, what a fucking ball.
Let's go. Come on, Eli.
Give it an option.
Nope.
No big.
Phil, Ryan, Phil. Yeah, you're Ryan.
And one.
This side. Inside.
Around.
Inside.
Regular.
No round.
Yeah, Nick.
Come on.
Yeah! Boomba-clot.
Yo, I should just walk onto the field.
Rick!
Let me guess what the play is.
Oh, Jordan, punish that!
What?
Trevor, come on! No big, Trevor! Let's go, Ray! Nick! Nick, go again!
Home.
Around.
All good.
Home.
Yes, Jordan!
Give it to him!
Yeah! Come on!
Jordan! Hey, cut! That's so... Here you go, Ray! Hey, shortest possible line is the giant corners. Yeah? It was great.
What a pull.
Yeah, no, the thing is, our offense is and this is what we're annoying a lot on our... Yeah, Trevor, you're free! Ryan's free, Ryan! Good work! Oh my god! Hands on! We're clearing, but... Tight,
Get there, Graves. No looking. You guys are good.
Hey, no play, God. Let's go! Robin, stop playing! Your sideline.
I think what happened was like there was no call. Your sideline thought there was a call. That's what I said. So.
Yeah, we're good.
Hey, stop that! Wait, what are you doing to me?
What's the score right now? Is it for half?
Yeah.
Are we winning?
6-4, 7.
Bro, your teammate, yo. Two of your teammates are saying.
Levi, over.
But I've got a second chance. Like it's floating.
I'm
out of the play once he jumps. Oh, I'm reading it. I'm going and then
I see where he's coming from. Huh?
I think he gets pushed in the back even if it's over.
Yeah. No, he's arguing that he could have had a second chance, but because he was pushed out of the play from him getting backpacked.
Oh, good.
You're good. Hey, live, let's go.
You starting, dude? You starting, dude?
We started on.
Oh damn, we are on the field. Holy fuck. So I guess in the end it really doesn't matter.
I mean, so we'll talk about it. 7-5.
Tough fuck.
Nice cut.
Holy shifty.
Let's good, Kobe.
Let's go, Sam! Huge!
Hey, tight.
Not coming. Line.
Flag.
POV shot.
See it, Poach. Saying 4.
Can we hit 4?
See Sam.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Up.
Close, huge.
One more. Go around. Use your hand, Kobe.
End zone!
Wait. Around. Yes. Itchy. Austin. Up. Yeah. Wait. 2024, Austin would have done that.
We don't know.
2024, Austin. It's 2024 right now.
That's what I'm saying.
What the heck?
Spacing! We're 2 punches to spacing!
Hurt on me.
Oh my God, Sam. Yeah, Nick tight.
Dot.
Hard.
Dot monster.
Hey, we're good. Heads up. Come on. Use your hand when you block, bro.
Shit!
Hey, talk. Hey, let's work here. Levi, my boys.
Hi, Ross.
Hey, priority right now is maybe a
Hey, can we be aggressive here?
Yeah.
Hey, watch us flash it.
So you can pivot on it.
Go, be aggressive.
Yeah, over the top help, Russ. Over the top help. Under us. Yes, Russ. Good body. Yes, Russ. Yes!
ISO! 101! Oh, okay.
Get him, stick him. Walk slowly.
Yo, stick him!
Oh my God.
Yay!
Hey!
No, you're so crazy. Hey, Sean. Boing. Oh, that's boy.
Get it back, our break!
On!
Oh!
Dot monster! Not in!
Dot monster.
Go back to Russ! Corner shot!
Be fun cone.
Don't spike it. Stop. Come down, sir.
The famous Nick Chang.
So that's a go route. When's A1? When's A1 coming out?
Oh, true.
I'll play.
Yes, Eli! Go find! I'm okay with that.
Good work.
Inside! Go around!
Stay on! Josh! Up! Eli! Just around!
Come on, Marcus.
Yo, who's number 2 on white? He sucks.
You got scooped!
Sheesh.
We do.
Call me,
So it's 6'9". If they score,
I don't know.
Yeah.
Shit, I'm trying to think.
It's only 2 points.
Alright.
Why do we not gain more off that?
We lost to Gills.
Oh!
Hey! Oh, what? Why is Austin beating you all down? How's that possible?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
But it was like, yeah, one of those where like the defender was deep. He was like shitting went under. And he went under. He started coming. Yeah, even more open anyway. Because then it's like once you're shooting deep, you need to like.
How much percent? I'm at 22%. Holy
Yeah,
fuck.
exactly. You have if you're that's what you're giving. You're not gonna catch up. I mean, the same thing happened to me against
Oh, got your ass. Oh, sorry.
Yes, Russ! Josh Jang, you're good. Oh, let's go.
Nice try, Nick. Nice try, Nick. Nice, Nick looking. Not looking no more.
Inside, Josh. Inside. Owen! Come on, Trav, no one's on you. Burn! Hey, over here. Inside.
Up. Oh, I thought about it. Score. I want to play off.
Watch it, Owen. Nice, Owen. There you go.
Nick.
Nice. That's okay, Nick.
Owen! Graves!
Inside.
Hey,
Josh, fuck!
Owen!
Oh, come on, Josh.
Right, left hand!
Oh, get him! Sheesh! That's fine. Inside! Around now! Inside! Around! Yes! Oh, yes! Here you go, Tyus.
Nice pressure.
Owen, you've got this! Hey, someone support it! It's reset!
I'll get out of the viewing angle.
Josh, get in a bit! Yeah,
Too deep.
Trevor on 99.
No way, right? Loser. Yo, that guy sucks, bro.
Ready? Owen next. Inside.
Hands up, Josh!
Owen.
Yes, Owen!
Oh, he got it back. He sucks, but he, that was okay.
Ryan needs to recognize that he's not getting
Wow.
Oh, no call? Oh, it's 22, bro.
Owen!
Nick Tang!
ESPN camera. It's okay, Kenji.
Hey, Owen's frisbee!
Hey. Front end zone. I got you.
Hey, push off!
Back up!
Yo, I bet Ryan's gonna score from point right here.
What? Oh my.
Who's most? Hey, Josh, Jang, and Tyus, spread out. No, Kenji, stay. Kenji, come far corner. Okay. Hey, Tyus, don't get too married to Josh Jang, bro. Spread out.
You have one person marking two of you, bro.
No, Kenji, take it. Kenji.
Yo, how do we have someone like Eli who's still with
Up. I think the show guy.
Just you, Josh. Just you.
Yo, I'm already designing the next play.
Yeah, gotta go. Gotta go.
They're coming, Jason!
I don't know.
Luna, gotta go!
Lean on.
I'm in the very.
Luna here,
Get in here, Luna. Get in here, Luna. That's you now. That's you now. Looking.
Jason, your far side.
Josh, come on, Josh! All around!
Close.
Yeah, Josh, go under.
Help him off!
Far side.
No, but no. You don't throw it. Alright, see you later, guys.
What the fuck? My honest reaction.
On D now.
Great try! I'm also gonna fly Lee now.
Why are you giving me the bag?
Jordan! That's him! Clamp him up! I need to do this for
Get
Hey, I want some money.
You can call it.
No.
Dude, so right.
Whoa! What? Hello? Mama?
What?
Mama?
That's a riot. It's a riot.
Actually disgusting.
They're here!
Jesus Christ.
Man.
I saw my life flash before my eyes on it.
Inside! We need another handle!
How does he do that? Such a small stature. All those signs are
Heads out! Heads out! Let's go win.
It looked a lot worse. That looks so bad.
Yeah. I was thinking Achilles, bro.
Yeah.
Huh?
That big bag.
Yeah, hold it home.
Oh.
Yes, Owen.
Right, Phil.
Up. Oh, what's that? Hold the forward.
Josh.
Nice. Watch the inside. Watch the inside. Let's go!
I feel like Team USA would still be in. Yeah, right? They'd be in D1.
Yannick, up!
That was a little hip check.
He's trying to one-up you.
It's not worth it. If it's looking like that, it's not worth it.
You think he can one-up Ryan? I don't think so.
Hey, need an outlet.
You got timeout? Yeah, I know. But I have prescriptions in mind, so I have to use them.
All right, Pinhead, your time is up. I'm Dirty Dan.
Come on, Randy, here we go!
Why does it look like a zone, bruh?
Well, I only have 11% left.
It looks junky. Junky. Is defense set?
Have you ever seen the back left corner before?
Have you ever seen Russ?
I feel like I'm gonna like just fold. Look at him. Help, help, help. Yeah, Mark, I'm sideline, I'm sideline, I'm out. Mark is out, Mark is out.
1, 2, 3, 4, up!
It's okay, Tyus, get it back. Tyus, you can like just get another D type shit. Under Marcus. You're good, you're not looking, Not looking, Luna, not looking.
Stand under.
Yeah, Trevor.
How does Nick not get punished on that?
Right?
Actually, like, did not want to play that game. I actually got so mad.
For what?
We played Heartbreak a couple of years ago, or 2 years ago,
Oh.
and they had 2 women on their roster.
Oh.
Striking.
Go!
Where'd that guy come from?
Oh my God, snake in the grass!
Wait, we can actually play Snake in the Grass? That's fucked. That's fucked. Yeah, that's actually fucked.
I know Ryan's catching that.
Kobe!
Up! Pause it right where you have to use it, like, oh.
Holy shit. That would have been gross, bro. Grace, I know you catching that shit too, bro. I know you catching that bullshit too, bro.
Catching that first show. I ain't 5'3", bro.
In your hand, it's not coming out.
Around.
Damn, Josh really played O-line just to my D, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, when did Josh get up
I don't know. He snuck on, I guess.
there? I didn't even realize.
Now he hates his life, bro.
Yeah. Now he's playing D-line. Thanks, dude.
Come on.
Yeah, Scooby. Nice shot. Get up.
Loser!
Back in. Home.
Rush.
Up!
Inside. No fake code. No fake code.
Jason!
Inside. No round, Austin.
Up!
Contain that.
Sketchy.
Oh, this is a break.
Yeah.
Backhand.
To be a cutter.
Okay. Too late now.
There we go, let's finish it.
Come on, Dave.
Fishes. I don't know.
Eli.
Fishes.
Come on, Eli.
They're snaking.
Oh, come on, Jason. Gotta go, Josh. Not coming. Under.
Josh, come on.
Josh in a sec. Not looking no more. Tyus, bro.
Townsy, recover over here. Townsy over here.
Close. On.
On, establish.
My bad.
Far side still.
Penis call?
Yeah, I had no idea. Just like, I'm on the open side, this guy runs straight under, and it's just like,
Yeah, Josh tight, Josh tight. You good there, Eli? Pick off.
Boo. Just kidding. Just kidding. Really?
I call a pick on them first point.
Well, it's not basketball. Dude, pick and roll would be so funny in this sport. It would be so funny.
Go, Jason. Up.
Even looking at that, like, that here, bro.
Eli, you right? You need one? Eli, you need one?
I'll go on.
Good. Eli, you need one? I'll see bad, man. Eli, you good?
Oh my gosh.
We'll get Ryan on.
Bro,
And it's rap.
was trying to get me on.
You were on the ground and you grabbed your ankle.
Yeah, I thought you were dead. What else? Thank you. Thank you. Else. Josh, get the.
And then we got like 10%
Now we're unders. I was under.
There's definitely guys that are just like call injuries at random times. It's like, oh yeah, he's old. He had an injury.
Dude, that's actually that disparity of age is always so
Yeah, Graves.
Inside.
We roll the dice.
No under Eli. Let's go, Eli. You're good there.
Up! Jay-Chan! Come on, Jay-Chan. Yeah, inside.
Jay-Chan,
Yeah.
You, Tazzy. Tight, Josh.
What the fuck?
Damn.
Oh my God.
It was like some roller skates, right? I'm wearing pants. I blocked a shot in front of the. I was like, yo, take me out.
Oh, day on, bro.
Yeah.
Let's go, Nick.
What?
Kobe should keep it.
I don't know.
If there's
What's
a
the
pick,
call?
if there's
Oh,
a
it's
pick,
pick?
and they didn't stop playing, it doesn't matter.
What the?
Oh, foul. It's a foul call.
What was the foul?
I think downfield. I don't know if he sees it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if he sees it.
Hey, Yuchi, to the corner, bro.
Oh, boo! Yeah!
Come on, Blackfish!